welcome to my channel. So today I'll be speaking about 10 habits where you can keep your relationship with your partner balanced post baby. Again, I'm not a professional here. I will be first and foremost communicate openly, even about the little things with your partner. um, Share what you need without expecting from your partner to just know everything. Also ask him that what he needs too, because you both are partners and you both are in this together and both of your feelings matter. Communication is really important between two partners, बिकॉज आप दोनों ही इतना इंडल्ज हो वाइल स्पेशली व्हेन द बेबी इज टू स्मॉल. तो आप दोनों अपने अपने पार्ट पे यू आर प्लेइंग योर रोल्स. सो वॉट हैपन्स इज आपकी रिलेशनशिप थोड़ी सी स्टेप बैक हो जाती है. एंड इन दैट period of time, what happens is there must be certain expectations आपके और probably आपके partner के, where you don't get time to speak on those points which was pretty easy earlier. So I would suggest communicate openly with your partner about your expectations, whatever you are feeling. I mean, both partners should do that. So what happens is you will feel okay. आप बेबी के साथ साथ एट द सेम टाइम you are keeping your relationship balanced too, and which is really important. So secondly, please divide baby and home responsibilities fairly. आप ये नहीं सोचिए कि सिंस यू आर अ मदर और सिंस यू आर अ फादर आप सारी की सारी चीज़ें एक बार में कर लेंगे. नो, एक पॉइंट के बाद आपका थ्रेशोल्ड आ जाएगा. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट रादर देन एक इंसान सारा चीज़ करे, इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड फेयरली. In division of work, what you can do is play to your strengths. So let's say if your partner is good with cooking meals, तो आपका पार्टनर वो मील्स कुकिंग मील्स पिक कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू आर गुड विद अदर हाउस कोर्स, आप वो पिक कर सकते हैं. सो दैट वे व्हाट हैपेंस इज you don't feel the burden. At the same time you are managing the home as well along with baby. अगर आपको उस चीज़ के लिए बहुत मोनोटोनस लगे दैट यू आर डूइंग द सेम टास्क एवरी डे, आप स्विच भी कर सकते हैं. सो दैट वे यू थर्डली प्रोटेक्ट योर कपल टाइम. आई नो बहुत इनिशियल फेज में आपको टाइम मिलता ही नहीं है बिकॉज आप बहुत सी चीज़ें फिगर आउट कर रहे होते हो बेबी के साथ. You don't get the couple time, but what I would suggest is rather than thinking of bigger dates जो कि आप बिफोर बेबी किया करते थे, I would suggest you can even having a 10-minute good time and you are still good to go. आप एक बैलेंस बना के रखेंगे. So what we have done is हम लोग यूजुअली वी हैव मेंटेन्ड अ स्केड्यूल ऑफ आवर बेबी. सो वंस बेबी goes back to bed, हम लोगों का वी हैव आर 15-20 minutes हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ वी वॉच टीवी और प्रोबेबली वी सिट एंड वी स्पीक पूरे दिन का कि कैसा क्या दिन गया. और प्रोबेबली इन द मॉर्निंग यू कैन जस्ट सिट विद योर पार्टनर फॉर 5-10 minutes एंड यू कैन जस्ट enjoy योर कॉफ़ी और अ टी. आई एम श्योर आपको ये पूरे दिन में भी अगर आपको 10-15 मिनट्स मिलके अगर आप ये चीज़ें भी करेंगे, यू विल स्टिल फील कंटेंट विथ वॉट एवर योर लाइफ इज गोइंग थ्रू. फोर्थ, शो अप्रिशिएशन. I would suggest before appreciation, feel grateful for the time which you are getting with your partner and with your baby. Small things which you are doing with your baby and your partner is doing, if you start acknowledging those things, automatically you will start feeling grateful that okay, my partner is doing this. Don't normalize things that कि हाँ आप पेरेंट्स हैं तो आप ये करते ही हैं, it's very normal, everyone does it. I would suggest rather than normalizing all these things, आप acknowledge करिए कि okay, your partner is doing something, you know, for you and for your baby, and vice versa. Once you know these things, आप once आप एक ग्रेटफुलनेस अपने अंदर लेकर आते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके साइड से और आपके पार्टनर के साइड से एक दूसरे के लिए अप्रिसिएशन आएगा ही आएगा. And you can probably show that in gesture or probably with words or whatever your language is. So that way you both will feel seen in the relationship, which is very important in keeping. Fifth, keep the physical connection alive. When I say physical connection, it doesn't supposed to be always sex. You can probably just have a, you know, you can hug your partner, you can probably just cuddle with your partner while watching a TV. That way, you know, you will feel the warmth, and that way you can keep the physical connection alive between you two. Sixth, be a team rather than being an individual. I would suggest, rather than speaking just about yourself, you can speak as a team. That oh, आज तो हमने बेबी को कितना जल्दी सुला दिया. You can bring some humor about it, and you know, you can speak like a team rather than individual, so that the other person or the other partner will feel that okay, you know, we are in this together. The feeling should be we both are in this together, and we both are doing a good job. So yeah. Seventh, it's a very important point. Talk with your partner, not just about your baby, but you know, about your life or about your dreams, or probably, you know, about just the two of you. You should keep your relationship alive. The conversations, I mean, it's totally understandable कि आपकी लाइफ में इतना सब कुछ चलेगा that probably the conversation will be completely about, you know, कि आज बेबी का ऐसा हुआ या whatever, you know, it will be completely, you know, about baby. But you know, आप related to your work or related to your dreams or probably related to just the two of you, वो बातें भी पीछे नहीं जानी चाहिए. These topics should always be there. I believe that conversation सिर्फ बेबी तक ही नहीं रह जाने चाहिए. It should always be about you two as well. Eighth, check in weekly. आप एक दूसरे पे weekly, you know, just keep a tap on each other about how the person is feeling. If there is anything which they are, you know, उनको कुछ बुरा लगा हो या कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो, so just check in on the feeling weekly. Ninth, respect, rest and recovery. So during this time, usually what happens is you will be going through a lot of exhaustion, tiredness. तो इस टाइम के दौरान आपको आपके पार्टनर को या आपको जब आपको पता चले कि ओके द अदर पर्सन इज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ बर्निंग आउट, तो आप स्टेप अप करिए अपना एंड आप बाकी चीज़ें संभालिए सो दैट द अदर पर्सन कैन रेस्ट एंड ऑफ कोर्स द वाइस वर्सा, सो दैट बर्नआउट के आप लोग बर्नआउट होके आपके बीच में आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कम हो. सो लास्टली, प्लीज कीप द ह्यूमर अलाइव. ट्राई कीजिए कि जब भी आपको लग रहा है कि चीज़ आर्ग्यूमेंट में आ रही है या फिर यू नो कुछ ना कुछ यू नो एग्जॉशन हो रहा है या मूड खराब हो रहा है या इट्स टू मच टू हैंडल, ट्राई टू ब्रिंग आउट द ह्यूमर at the end of the day. This is a really beautiful journey. Just cherish this because ये time वापस नहीं आने वाला है. You will always going to miss this time and just enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, comment down your suggestions and subscribe my channel. And I'm really sorry, मैं 2 हफ्तों से I have been away as you know, you all know my husband had gone through a surgery, so but now I am back, and you'll see my videos each week. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment down your suggestions